Hello guys and welcome to another episode. Today we are going to take a look in this Audi A8 from Norev. It is a very nice car, one of my favorite, and today we are going to take a look in this model. We can make an unboxing and a review. So let's proceed with the unboxing. This particular model car is part of a collection that I have with saloon cars. I have this one, the Bentley one, the Mercedes Maybach S-Class, and some others that I don't remember now. But since I am a fan of Audi cars, this one is one of my favorite saloon cars. So as you can see, you open the box very easily, and it has this foam case. This opens up. So because it has no antennas, I will unscrew the bottom and then I will remove the model. So now we have the model unscrewed from the base, and then you lift it a little bit up so that the screws don't fall off, and you remove the model car. So here is the model car out of the box. As you can see, it is a very long body because it's the Audi A8 with the extended wheelbase. It looks very nice. It is very heavy model and also very well made. It has very nice details. It looks very realistic, and I'm very happy that Norev made this model car with so much details to it. You can see in the front that the license plate is very well made, all the details, the badge, the grills. The wheels also look very nice. The disc brakes look okay, not very realistic, but they are not very visible also, so it's not a big problem. You can see the side with a very nice paint job, the chrome and everything. Very nice wheels. It doesn't have suspension system, but the wheels turn and the steering wheel turns also inside the cockpit. Underneath there is not much of details. Now let's see at the back. You can see how nice it looks. It has very nice tail lights. Beautiful details. And you can see also at the back inside the how nice it looks interior. The trunk open nicely, it stays up in all the stages and it opens up way up. That's cool. And you can see that it has very nice details also. And even at the top of the cover it has lining, which is nice. Very nice soft carpet. And the interior also has very nice details. The doors open nicely, as you can see. And here I have to make an adjustment so you can see better. Because the model car is very heavy, for me to move it around, I will show you how it looks from the inside like this. You can see the details on the side panels with the wood and all the buttons. And inside you can see the screens at the back of the seats and in the center console for the rear passenger. And for the front you can also see the details with the wood on the dashboard and in the center console, the screen in the middle. Very nice details. And here is how it looks from the driver's side. Very nice details. It is very well made. And now we are going to take a look what's underneath the hood. The hood stays open in all the positions. It's very steady made, feels very solid. And you can see the details in the engine here. Looks very nice and very realistic. Let me know if you like this model too. I think that it is a very nice model car to have in your collection. It is a very well made car, a quality build, and I really like it. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it and you found it useful, and until the next time, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.